Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I changed my hair, look at it. I love it. It's like this neon, peachy, orangey, pinky coral color and I love it so much. I know someone's gonna ask me. I did a full tube of Pulperites lava with half a tube of Pulperites candy and mixed it all together. All the dimension just kind of happened because that's just how my hair takes color. I'm obsessed though. I feel so summery and cute. I know I wanted to stick with pastel tones until my wedding, but this will fade into a nice pastel. I just needed something new and bright. And I love it so much. I just feel so summery and I don't like summer, but I'm trying to embrace it. I'm trying to enjoy it because life's too short to not enjoy things, okay? Okay, let's move on. Speaking of summer, we're gonna play with the Give Me Glow Summer Vibes palette today. One of you asked me to play with this a while back and I had it on my list to play with and it just kept getting pushed down, but I figured today was the perfect day to bust it out again. I loved this when I bought it. I still think it's a fabulous color story. If I could change things, I would probably replace one of these bronzy shimmers and I would replace one of these browns. But other than that, I love this palette. I love this peach as a blush and it's just all around such a lovely palette. I so much enjoy playing with this. So we're gonna do this palette bingo style. However, you know who you are who suggested this. You really wanted to see me play with this teal. So I was thinking I'm going to draw 5 shades randomly and if I don't grab this teal shade, we're gonna have a wild card kind of shade where I have a 6th shade in the look as well. So I'm going to use this regardless. Whether it's only 5 shades or 6, it will be up to the palette bingo gods. We'll see if they want to sabotage me today. I love Give Me Glow's formula so much. It's so pigmented, it blends so beautifully. Their shimmery metallic shadows are out of this world. They're so reflective. Their pricing is high. It's not a cheap brand. It's not quite luxury, but it's definitely more high-end prices for sure. I wish so badly that their pans could be small because I know it bothers a lot of people that their pan sizes are so big. It doesn't bother me per se, like I will own and love and cherish this, but I do wish this palette could be half the size with smaller pans. That would make me happier and I know it would make a lot of other people happier, but that's just how it is. I love this formula, I love this palette, and I'm really excited to play with it. There are 12 shades. I have my random number generator here. Let's just go ahead and do the first 3, shall we? 12, 4, 12. Okay, so we need another one, not just 12. And 6. 12, 4, and 6. So we got 12. Okay, we got 4. And we got 6. So we got tan lines, Brazilian bikini, and fireworks. Happy we got that shimmery corally peach color. Ooh. I guess we're just doing 2 more shades then, which makes me happy because I don't always like using a million shades in my looks. 7 and 4 again. 8, 7 and 8. Ooh, we got watermelon and mango martini. The palette bingo gods wanted me to match my hair with a pop of blue. This is summer. This is summer. This is so cute. I love the bright pink. I love the cute orange, even though I don't love orange eyeshadow. I'm going to embrace it a little bit more while I have this hair color. Those 2 mixed together are going to be my hair color. It's so cute. And I love that metallic. We got 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. I'm so happy with this look. I haven't even done the look yet. I'm just happy with the color story. I'm feeling the hashtag summer vibes, if you feel me. I guess I'm gonna zoom you in now, prime my eyes with my Smashbox lid primer in light. I'm not gonna set it because I don't do that. And we'll get started. I'm so hyped if you can't tell. All right, my eyes are primed and, well, just the one eye is primed. But we're gonna go ahead and just dive on in, you know? I'm gonna dip into Mango Margarita right off the bat and run this through the crease. Pretty sure I'm gonna do a half cut crease today, but I'm not gonna like actually cut my crease. I'm just going to do a faux cut crease with glitter glue because these metallics are so pigmented. Obviously that metallic is going all across the lid. And I think I really want to just embrace these orangey pinks all throughout my crease to go with my hair with a pop of blue on the lower lash line. I know that's a very typical look to do like warmer crease and blue lower lash line, but we're not just doing a warm brown crease, we're doing a pinky orangey corally crease, so I think it's gonna be very lovely. It's my off day today. What are you guys up to? I went to the gym with Morgan this morning. As of today, we've officially completed 8 weeks solid at the gym. Not missing days, and like I've said before, like if we skip a day, we just double up the next day. But we've consistently gone 8 weeks now. and I'm so excited. I feel like I have some shoulder definition, I have some leg definition. My body's not 100% where I want it to be, but I'm excited. So I'm just excited to see what the next 8 weeks hold. I'm just gonna keep piling orange at my crease because I'm actually really vibing with this specific shade of orange. It's so just cute. That's not a very descriptive word, Betty Jean. Just cute. Pat it out with my sponge. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take Watermelon, and this is just a dual-ended Anastasia brush. And this first brush was from SL Miss Glam. It's the L34. I got it in BoxyCharm a long time ago. I'm gonna start working this in the outer corner and through my crease as well. So we need to talk about the Wet n Wild stuff. I posted all about it on my Instagram story. I posted about it on Twitter. I posted about it on the community tab here. And I just feel like it's my turn to just talk about it. I didn't want to make a dedicated video about it just because I don't think it's necessary. Logical Harmony literally said it all in 2 minutes, so I'm just going to give a brief synopsis for those of you who are not caught up, and I will have Logical Harmony's video down below. I highly recommend checking it out. Basically, it's so tricky. Basically, it came to light that, I'm taking the Mango Margarita again to buff and blend, by the way. It came to light that there were Wet n Wild displays in China selling their makeup. And that's a big red flag because Wet n Wild has always said they do not sell in China. Like they directly have been telling customers they do not sell in China, not even just skirting around it. They've specifically said they don't. And it came to light that there were stores, and guys, I was hoping so bad it was just a miscommunication. I thought maybe someone was selling it illegally. Oh, I hoped so bad. I was rooting for them so hard. But unfortunately, that's not the case. Wet n Wild came and made a statement basically saying they do sell in China, but just because of the way it works, their products are not tested on animals. And then, if you've seen Logical Harmony's video, this is all just going to be reiterating it. Basically, the laws in China are very different as far as that. It's not that cut and dry. It's not black and white. Basically, products can be sold in China with certain ways to where there doesn't have to be any pre-market animal testing. However, China's laws do allow post-market testing at any time. They could take any product off any shelf and test it. And that includes Wet n Wild products. They're not excluded from that. So because of that, they're no longer Leaping Bunny certified, they're no longer Logical Harmony certified, and they are also no longer beautbean certified. I can't believe that. And honestly, cruelty-free status aside, it's so deceptive of Wet n Wild to literally tell customers that they don't sell in a certain place. It blows my mind that they've been that deceptive and just straight up lying to people. I've thought so highly of them. I just got put on their PR list. I just got my first package. I just did a dedicated video with their stuff on my own free will. And I've already written to them. I asked them to take me off of their list. I no longer will be buying, supporting, using any of their products. Honestly, I don't even know if them just stopping selling in China would change anything in my mind because they've been lying, and that's so heartbreaking. Anyone who strives to be cruelty-free with their makeup products can understand that we put so much trust into these brands that say that they are. So for something like this to happen is very heartbreaking. This brand is so well known, so affordable. Their quality's pretty good. And they were cruelty-free from the beginning as far as I know. So this is just really heartbreaking. Nobody's more sad about this than me. This was not a quick decision for me to just take myself off their list. I put in so much research. I had so many battles in my head. I couldn't sleep last night. I'm getting all riled up again. So let's just get back into makeup. That's all I'm going to say about that. But that's just my thoughts about the whole situation and what's going on. Okay, so now I'm taking tan lines. Let's get back into some good cruelty-free makeup. This is the brown. Really, I would have skipped this color. If I were doing this look on my own free will, I would have skipped it. But since it's here, we have to use it. I'm just going to pop this in the outer corner. I'm not going to carry it through the crease. I'm not going to take it up too high. I'm simply just using this to deepen up these shades. I want the Juicy Olive palette from Give Me Glow so bad. I might get it, but I'm really trying to decide because I don't need it. And Ace Beauté just announced their Oceanic palette. I think that's what it's called. It's blue and green. Totally don't need another blue and green palette. I have the Certified Affinity 2. The Menagerie Cosmetics Whale Song is literally, I already paid for it because I bought it pre-sale. I do not need that palette. I might get it though. By the time this video goes live, the launch date will have already happened and I will most likely have purchased it. I have not been buying that much makeup because I've been being very strict because of all my cat stuff. Wow, Bus. Rude, rude, rude. But I have a little bit that I can spend because I've been being so good, and I think I might treat myself to that. Potentially the Juicy Olive as well, but that's another one I really just don't need. I have the Just My Luck palette. All these blue and green palettes make me really not need 6 green shades. Man, it's cute though. I want it so bad. So this is what the crease is looking like. I'm feeling it. And now we're going to take that Fireworks shade, the metallic. Whew, you guys are in for a treat. The shade is so pretty. I'm taking the flat side of the dual-ended brush with my NYX glitter primer. I love this stuff. I use it with every shimmer. In case you're new here, I'm gonna pop this all across my lid, dip right into that Fireworks shade with the exact same brush. Our metallics are just absolutely everything to me. I might switch to a smaller brush to really define this fake cut crease action. Oh my gosh, I love, I love, I love, I love. They're definitely one of my favorite brands for eyeshadow, hands down. If I had a bunch of money, I would just buy all their singles and make a bunch of beautiful palettes, and I would be content forever. I'm taking this BH Cosmetics brush with some glitter glue. I'm just gonna tap it right along the edge just to get it sticky. Take some more of that Fireworks shade and start carving. Doesn't have to be that precise, but I do want some precision with this. I'm so excited for Aladdin to come out. Is anyone else gonna see it? I like the Disney remakes. I'm not a Disney live action remake hater. I fully support it. It has my stamp of approval. I think Will Smith is gonna do great as the genie, and I just can't wait to see it. I don't know when I'm seeing it, but I will see it at some point. I'm actually currently just on a pre-filming kick because the hair show is coming up the first weekend of June. If any hairstylists are going to Premiere Orlando, maybe we'll see each other. Okay, so this is the whole lid crease action. I love it. I think it's quite beautiful. And I didn't do any kind of look like this with my 3 Looks 1 palette or my first impressions. But now I'm just gonna be taking that Brazilian, I should show you correctly, Brazilian bikini shade. And I just have this dual-ended, where is this from? Royal and Langnickel crease smudge brush. Basically, I'm just going to be taking the smudgy side and popping this all underneath that lower lash. Man, now would be a great time to have an eye pencil this exact color. I'm going to pop this all underneath there. I don't even know what I was saying before I got distracted with this. Whatever. My thought has left the train station. I really like this blue though. I don't have any issues with it. I think it works great. If you struggle with any shades really ever, my best advice is just to pack a shade on and then blend it out. Don't just go in right away with the blending motion, because sometimes you're going to have more issues that way if you do have issues. But I personally don't have issues with this shade. I think it's a lovely blue. It's just such a good matte teal blue. I don't know how else to describe it. Ooh, this is a very basic looking look, Betty Jean. How dare you? Ordinarily, I do not like oranges and blues next to each other because that is the football team my town raves over. But this is a cute, like, compromise to it because it's an orangey pink that we have going on, and then it's more of a tealy blue we have on the lower lash line. That's mighty lovely. I don't know what I want for my inner corner though, because I'm not putting that orange shade in my inner corner. I think I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. What would you guys say to that? Would you like to agree with me. Let's see. I just love this highlight. It's so pretty. So many cute sparkles. By the time this video goes up, I don't know if it'll still be happening, but Lime Crime is having a sale on like a lot of their products, and I bought one of those blushes and I'm really excited to get it because I've been lusting over them ever since they released. I'd love to know if any of you guys bought anything during that sale. Black Moon is also having a sale very soon, I think within a couple days. I might have to snag a lipstick or two. I really want to replace my black one from them. It was my favorite and I lost it during Halloween. Okay, I think I piled enough highlight in my inner corner. I just did that for like 3 minutes solid. So for my waterline, I think I'm gonna go with Totally Teal from LA Girl. It's the closest I have, and I really don't want a green. I really want a teal, blue kind of color. So I'm gonna put this in my waterline really quick. I think that's quite nice, actually, I will say. I guess now, I think that's all I really have to do. I'm gonna do the other eye, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we'll finish this up. So this is the final look. What do you think? I love it. I feel very cute. I feel very summery. I just like this overall vibe. I think it's really pretty. On my lips, I went with Doozy, the Ultra Blotted Lip from Colourpop, and I love it. It's such a good shade. I feel like it's just such a good formula. I love these blotted lip kind of formulas though. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but I love them. They're so comfortable and cute. And for my lashes, I threw a little curveball. What flavor are these? These ones are Lullaby from Sugarpill. These might still be very large for some people, but for me, these are like teeny tiny. But I don't totally hate the way they look. It's different. But I mean, they're pretty. I like that they have the extra flare in the outer corner and it's very, very tapered in the inner corner. I think that's pretty. I just wish they were longer. But I don't hate it. I'm going to continue to wear them. I guess that's about it. I love this palette. I loved playing with it again. I thought it was fun. I hate when my straps get all twisted. I hate when I see myself when I'm editing and it's like twisted. It drives me nuts. But I had fun playing with this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this palette bingo, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I plan on doing one with just the Dragon Child palette from Menagerie Cosmetics soon because one of you wanted me to do another one with it since that palette's getting discontinued. So expect to see that soon, probably. Let me know what else you want to see. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post at least 5 days a week, but it's usually 6 or 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.